obviously. All right, our plan. We go today from American Flag up to Tiger Mine, which is about 8-point-some miles, and there's water there. The next day, we go from Tiger Mine up to Beehive, which is about 19.2 miles, with water at the beginning, at the end.
With water, can you believe it?
Yeah. And at Mountain View Tank, which is going to be interesting getting water out. You'll see later.
We have to dip.
Dip.
And then from Beehive, we go to a water source about 20 miles away with water in between. And then from there, we'll go to Kearney. Woo woo!
Where we get to visit with trail angels.
Yeah. There's our plan.
The plan.
The plan.
Good morning. It's not morning anymore. It's afternoon. We stayed the night in Oracle, and today we're going to tackle Oracle State Park. It's a short segment, only about 7 or 8 miles, and we'll wind up on the north edge of the city, ready to head out into the wild blue yonder tomorrow morning, bright and early. Unfortunately, the heat wave has started. I think we're sitting at, probably around 30 degrees Celsius, so 80s, what is it, 85?
80.
Somewhere around there. So it's getting warm. So we're gonna be fighting the heat today, and we'll be fighting the heat for the next few days getting into Kearney. So that is the plan. I haven't talked about yesterday yet. Yesterday was So we thought climbing into Summerhaven was going to be the tough part, and getting down from Summerhaven would be the easy part. Turns out that they changed the rules a little bit, and they rerouted the trail so that we basically descended like crazy for 2.5 kilometers, got down to a water source, and then they just said, yeah, well, you know how you just climbed down from the mountain? Now you're gonna go back up another mountain. And so we basically had to climb a whole nother mountain yesterday, and then spend the rest of the afternoon beating our way down from that over lots and lots and lots of loose rocks and gravel and nastiness. I slipped twice and scratched up my leg and bashed up my foot. So yesterday was not an easy day, but we are out of the mountains now, so we are very appreciative of that, and I think that today and the next few days will go smoothly as long as we get enough water. That is where we're at.
Feet up.
Here, how's that?
There you go. I don't know where to look.
At the camera.
Oh, Jeff had one going too.
Coming
I know. Which way?
up on the crossing of the highway, which will take us up to Tiger Mine Trailhead in the beginning of the next section, or as the Arizona Trail calls them, the next passage. And here we are at the Tiger Mine Trailhead. We're not going to go much further today, but we're going to head down this hill anyways and get a start on the next little dry area we're about to tackle.